good money from your ebooks. If you stay close to me, I'll teach you how to write without writing. Are you shocked? No, you shouldn't be shocked. How do you write without writing? If you stay close to me and you watch this video to the end, you will discover this simple strategy. One of the reasons why you should create an ebook is that people see you as an authority, and it also increases credibility. Writing an ebook on a specific topic can establish you as an authority and expert in your field. It showcases your knowledge, experience, and unique perspective, which can help build your personal brand and credibility. You know, there are so many scammers on this online space, especially if you are doing business online. So your ebooks can reduce the risk factor when people come to do business with you. So it's very important or very necessary to own an ebook. Another advantage of having an ebook is that it serves as a potential for passive income. If you decide to sell your ebook, it can serve as a potential source of passive income where you'll be making money whilst you are sleeping. Once you create and publish your ebook, you can earn revenue from ongoing sales without the need for continuous effort. With effective marketing and a valuable content offering, you can generate a stream of income over time. So it's very important and very necessary to own an ebook. Before you create or write your ebook, first of all, you need to identify what you want to write about. Are you going to write about money? Are you going to write about sales? Are you going to write about time? What are you going to write about? So you first of all identify what you want to write about. Then you can get a notepad or any rough book, and then you jot what you want to write about. So I have my rough work. I'm going to write about copywriting, what is copywriting, advantages of copywriting, types of copywriting, systems that will make one a better copywriter, and then levels of copywriting. So I'm going to write on these topics. So first of all, I'm going to launch my ChatGPT, and then I'll start writing my ebook without writing. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT what is copywriting. Then I'm waiting for the answers. We are waiting for answers. So ChatGPT is giving me answers on what copywriting is all about. So when I get the answer, I'm going to copy. As I told you, we are going to write without writing. So I'm going to copy this. What is copywriting? So I can copy this. So ChatGPT is saying copywriting is the process of writing persuasive and compelling text, known as copy, with the goal of promoting a product, service, etc., etc. So after you have gotten this, then you open another tab, then you search for article rewriter tool. Article rewriter tool. So we have article rewriter tool. So I click on it. So here I'm going to rewrite what ChatGPT has given me. You get, ChatGPT has given me the definition of copywriting. I'm going to rewrite it so that it will now belong to me. What I'm going to write will now belong to me, but not ChatGPT. So this is what ChatGPT has given me. So I'll edit this way. So when you paste it, then you select basic rewriting. You click on basic rewrite. So the article rewriter tool is going to rewrite what ChatGPT has given to me. So this is the rewrite. ChatGPT gave me copywriting is the process of writing persuasive and compelling text, whilst the rewriter tool is giving me the act of writing text that is persuasive and compelling or copy with the intention of promoting a product, service or concept, and is known as copywriting. So we have the rewriter here. So what you are going to do is to copy what you have rewritten. You copy what you have rewritten. So I copy. After I have copied, I'm now going to check whether what I'm going to use is plagiarized. Yes, so I open a new tab. And then I search for duplicate checker. So we have it here, duplichecker.com. So I'm going to see whether the work or the text I'm going to use for my ebook, is it plagiarized or is not plagiarized. So please enter your text and then press check plagiarism. So I'm going to what I copied, the rewrite I copied, I'm going to paste it here, and then I check whether it's plagiarized or it's not plagiarized. So you select on I'm not a robot, then you check plagiarism. So we are just going to make sure that what you are going to use for your ebook is not plagiarized. Scanning to see whether our work is plagiarized or not. So we are waiting. 80%. Now we have 100%. So we have 0 plagiarism. So you can see, meaning the work I copied from the rewritertool.com and I'm going to use it for my ebook is not plagiarized. So I can go ahead to use what I copied. In case you copied and then you paste on the duplicate checker and then the plagiarism is 50% and above, meaning it's plagiarized. The work you are going to use maybe is for somebody, you see, but what I checked is 0 plagiarism, so I can use it for my ebook. So now I'm now going to copy my work. So I'll copy my work and then I go to my WPS. There are different apps you can use to create your ebook. We have WPS, you can use Canva, you can use Google Docs. There are so many. So for me, I prefer WPS. So I'm going to launch my WPS. So when you launch your WPS, we have you select here or you click here the plus button, then you select documents. You select documents, then you select, you are going to write your ebook from scratch. So we have blank, you select on the blank. So here you now paste what you copied, then you now paste. So we have the final work here. So the topic you can write copywriting. So if you want, you can highlight it. You can align it to the center or the middle, and then when you check the button here, you can play with all these tools. You can play with all these tools, so you can make it bold. So when you select on the B to make it bold, you can also increase the size. This is the bold I was talking about. You can increase the size. You can also change the font style here, so you can play with the tools. You can even add a picture. Maybe if you are done and then you want to add book cover, you can add a picture here. So you can play with the tools. So after you are done, I go back again to my ChatGPT and then continue with my work. So this is what I was working with. After you are done, then you check for what you are going to write again. So we have advantages of copywriting. Advantages of copywriting. Then you go to your ChatGPT and then you ask advantages of copywriting. So we have advantages of copywriting. So when you get the answer, you copy as usual. You copy, you go to article rewriter tool. Then you paste to rewrite. You paste basic rewrite. So after it has finished rewriting our advantages of copywriting, so on top of it you can see advantages of copywriting. Then the rewriting has given us benefits of copywriting. It's still the same. So I copy the rewriting. I'm not going to check for the plagiarism again, so I just come to my WPS and then I copy and paste. I paste. So I have my copywriting. Then down I have advantages or benefits of copywriting. Then next I have types of copywriting. So I go to my ChatGPT and then you now go to types of copywriting. So it's giving me types of copywriting. So this is what I've created. This is my ebook. This is my personal ebook. I hope you can remember the process. You go to ChatGPT, you ask your question, then you go to articlerewritertool.com to rewrite it, and then you paste it on your ebook. And I told you can use WPS, you can use Canva, you can use Google Docs, etc. So after you are done, just select on done. You can save from here. So you can name your ebook copywriting. So here, if you want it to be in document, you can leave it in document. If you also want it to be in the PDF, mostly ebooks are in the form of PDF, so you change it to PDF. you can save it to either your phone or documents. So we have PDF, so let me see whether I can check to see my work I did. So I go to WPS, then you go to files, I saved it on my device, documents, so you can see